Ah! Oh, no, 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 no. Not good. Not good at all. 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 Shit. Excuse me. Could you go get a ranger? I just got bit by a copperhead. Oh, crap. Oh, I'm shaking. I don't know what to say or think right now. These aren't supposed to be here. They're not normally in this area. I think I stepped on its tail. I wanted to make sure I contained it in case you guys have to remove it or whatever.
Staying calm.
Yeah, I gotcha. Yeah.
I want you to come around this way.
Gotcha.
And then I want you to sit down. We're gonna stay calm. Where were you bitten?
Right here on my leg.
Need you to lie down. Rachel, can you get the envenomation kit from the nature center? Breathe deeply. Stay calm. I've actually never had a copperhead sighted on grounds.
So you guys aren't gonna kill it or anything, right? Okay, good.
It's definitely a copperhead.
Yeah, I would say that's a copperhead for sure. Yeah. Well, congratulations. You're the first person bit by a copperhead in the Baltimore County Park in 25 years.
Yep.
All right, how you doing, buddy?
I'm good. It just stings a little bit.
It just stings a little bit? Okay. We need to get you in that Kubota. We're going to drive you out here.